What is happening, traders? So it seems like light is shining back into the crypto markets again, and Ethereum testing 1800 back again, heading all the way to 1900. Most likely this week is going to be a 2K Ethereum week, guys. So yeah, hit that like, go for that subscribe. Just do whatever you can for this channel, guys. It really helps me out. And thanks for the engagement in all the previous videos, guys. It's really helpful to me. It feels really nice. And guys, I am here sitting for you, making content all the fucking time, giving you my edges for free, sharing everything for free, guys. So the best you can do is at least share for me, right? All right, guys. Today we will be taking a look at some BNB, some Binance Coin, guys, as this one is also leaving the range, guys. This one is also breaking out, guys. Now I was in a trade. I was in BNB Ethereum, guys. I got stopped out. I'll just talk about it in a while. But guys, this looks to me like a very constructive behavior on BNB, as this is simply bullishly engulfing off of the 21 simple moving average and breaking the squeeze as well to the upside, guys. This is a very good looking candle right here. Although anything can happen in the markets, it could just simply crap its way down and come down again. It can probably go for a retest of the 200 simple on the 4-hour, as we did not test this one yet. Guys, most of the cryptocurrencies have tested their 4-hour 200 simple moving average. Ethereum, Dash. Guys, I have to make a video on Dash as well. Hit that like if you do want a video on Dash, as that is completely fucking undervalued right now. It's gonna moon soon. Like, it's gonna moon with LTC probably, guys. Now LTC is also something which we've been hoping on. Anyway, guys, let's not get distracted right here. But the thing with BNB right here is that we have not tested the 200 simple on the 4-hour time frame. Now, guys, this means two things. This means that the strength in the trend is so strong that you want to stay away from these things. That's what. That you want to stay away. You want to stay back from retesting these areas of interest right here, and you just want to simply pull away to the upside. And the other reason being that the market dynamics, the BTC pair, the Ethereum pair for BNB have. It has started getting bullish. It seems like BTC doing a 7% up move in the market. Now BNB against BTC, we just check it out like what that one is doing. But it looks to me like BNB on BTC is strong as well, guys. Let's just simply jump onto the daily time frame and let's see what is happening right here. Now this to me looks like, guys, what is this to you right now? Just simply not making any patterns. What is this to you, guys? This is a fucking bull pennant. This is a pull pennant, guys. This is a squeeze. This is a proper very orderly squeeze, to be honest with you. Testing the upside, downside, getting picked up again and again from the 21 simple daily moving average, not closing a fucking single candle with the 21 simple moving average. Every time comes here, gets picked up, guys. BNB is BNB the real Ethereum? We shall find out in the coming months, it looks to me like. Anyways, I think that this is a strong looking trend, and this is a pennant breakout right here, guys. Although this is pretty shattering, this is heart shattering news for you, as the volume is not much now, guys. This doesn't mean that we are going to be having an accelerated move to the upside. This means that can certainly consolidate here with the 200 with the 21 simple on daily time frames, something like this, guys. And then we can finally make our move towards $400 BNB, which could happen pretty soon. Now, guys, that is not a far-fetched thing. The far-fetched thing was thinking about a $400 BNB while you were sitting here around the $20 regions, guys. Just, you know what I feel about BNB. It just simply fucked off to the moon. It had no stopping. It did not want to stop for anybody. It just wanted to go away. And well, you had so many speculations for shifting gears in DeFi space altogether. You wanted to have a DeFi space with extremely zero fees, guys. So the BNB was like, why the hell not? Why the hell not? Binance Smart Chain is very smart. It's going to take care of Ethereum as well. So you're looking at a 10x price action right here, guys. Well, Ethereum did a 10x as well. So there is not much competition in the macro, but the only competition lies in the short term and the swing trades. Now, guys, this one looks to me like it wants to break to the upside, and if you do consolidate above the 21 simple moving average, you're good. You're good. There is absolutely no reason to crap your pants about BNB if you're holding BNB since these levels. Even if you're holding BNB since all-time highs, guys, it's completely fine until you're trading about the 21 simple. It's pretty simple, guys. Let's not complicate the process of trading and understanding the trends. Now, this one looks to me like if it does want to break out, if it does want to continue like that, you will be at least testing the $400 BNB region, guys. I've been talking about BNB testing the $400 region ever since this price action right here at 200, guys. I have a video on that. Guys, I don't want to boast. I was right. My prediction was right. It happened exactly as I predicted. No, guys, it's all fucking bullshit. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. No, if your prediction goes 100% successful, guys, it was just fucking luck. Market does not know you until and unless you are fucking Winklevoss brothers and you're moving funds like guys. You don't know inside information about these markets. Let's be honest with this one. So It doesn't matter if you call any prices at any point. The thing is, you have to gather down technical evidences to reach to certain conclusions. This one being a pretty obvious one right here, as this is a reaccumulation of 21 simple on daily time frame, guys. Looks very amazing. Now this is a lot of rambling, as the price action is simply looking like a beauty right here. But let's just check out the RSI as well, guys. This is a good looking curling up kind of situation on RSI. Let me just double click this one. Yeah, guys, this is simply curling up, and it does want to come to the 70 regions to test this one, guys. Now if you want that extreme maniac of a bull phase on BNB, guys, let me just if I can do this right. I don't know why don't I have this one right here, the 60 and the 40, guys. Just remember that anything between the 60 and the 40 is not tradable, guys. If you break the 40 to the downside, then it is tradable for a short position. If you break this one to the upside on 60, then it is a long position, guys. This is me giving my edge away for free. Well, I think this is not rocket science. Most of you guys must know how RSI trends are taking place in the market. Now, guys, if this stays above the 60 right here, we are looking at explosions on BNB yet again. We got yet an, guys, as you can see right here, we have been formulating a grind. Did it test it? No, it did not quite test it, although came really close to it. Is that a bullish divergence right here? Not really, but it looks to me like on some small time frames we can pinpoint those divergence, guys. And the volatility is currently under expansion. It's above the moving average on, guys. You can go ahead with this indicator as well. It's BA historical volatility and percentile. This one is a beauty right here. This indicator, if you do understand how the volatility expansion is taking place in the market, you can fucking nail most of the moves, guys, and you will never FOMO into any position in the market, guys. You will be sitting here positioning yourself on BNB for a move like this if you go about the volatility signatures perfectly on the small time frames as well to time it out perfectly. Now, guys, I'll simply talk about the 4-hour time frame, as this is where most of the action is happening on BNB, as this squeeze is turning out to be a successful breakout to the upside. Guys, let's just simply wish for the fact that BNB maintains these both levels. Now, guys, you can start managing your risks below these points right here. If you're long on BNB, if you're holding spot positions, if you're holding future leverage, guys, let me know down in the comments if you do hold any position on BNB, if you're a hodler, if you like taking future positions on BNB, if you like trading derivatives for BNB, as this is becoming a highly fucking liquid shitcoin. Not a shitcoin BNB. Certainly a lot of liquidity behind it. The exchange, the monopolies behind it, Binance, BSC, everything like that. So this is not a shitcoin anyway. Guys, what are you looking at right here? This is a breakout above the 60 with utmost power right here. The last time we had a breakout which was this strengthful was somewhere here, guys. Then we went out for that fucking 100% move to the upside. Now, are you doing something similar right here? You can argue. You can certainly argue, because Bitcoin is being bullish right here in the market. Bitcoin is leaving the fucking train station, going all the way to 60,000. It's gonna go to 60,000 pretty soon, guys. Well, what the heck is 60,000? It's not gonna stop at 60,000, guys. We're certainly looking at 100k Bitcoin pretty soon. Now, I am pretty confident on that one until we are gonna be holding 50k levels in the extreme small time frames, as the macro picture for BTC is still bullish. But any which ways, if BTC is constantly gonna be trending in these levels above 50k, BNB would be making another 100% move to the upside. But before that, everything has to be step by step, as currently we are hovering in this region. Now, guys, you can see how the intensity comes down as we get into the reality, into the realist trader's perspective right here. And this one being, you got to take this one out. You got to take the $280 regions out to target 333. Oh, what a number, to target 333 right here. Guys, this candle right here is looking nice as of now, as it is about to close in the next 3 minutes. By the time this video is actually here, by the time I'm done making the beautiful thumbnail, guys, hit that like if you do like that thumbnail. Hit that like if you think that the branding is in the right direction for Cryptoticator, guys. Leave any feedback, leave any comment, whatever you feel like. Just let me know. Even if this channel's content is extremely fucking shit to you, just let me know down in the comments that I have to do something about it. Like, I have to take care about anything. So just let me know. Just let me know. just try to engage, guys. We are trying to formulate a community right here. Don't be shy. Just leave that comment down below. Anyways, so you got to take this one at 280 right here on a 4-hour closing basis. Then you can talk about the retest of the prior all-time high at 333. Guys, if you are taking this one out, keep an eye on the volume signature. If we are reaching this level with high volumes, guys, there's not much stopping the. I think this is going to be absolutely fucking shattered. $340 levels are going to be absolutely shattered if the volume keeps on increasing, guys. Now this is something which I'll be very very keen towards. Now BNB is formulating a very nice squeeze, guys. You can certainly come back down here all the way at 242, but still get picked up. As the 200 simple on the 4-hour time frame is still extremely fucking bullish. It's moving very very fast to the upside, guys. Now I was talking about the fact that how the 200 simple retest is going to be certainly a very very big deal for any trend continuation. The price would certainly want to come to the 200 simple on 4-hour, get reaccumulated, get picked up. But guys, it looks to me like this is pretty strengthful. Let's see why this one is pretty strengthful. Let's jump into BNB BTC and let's see what this bastard is doing right here. Now this never lost the lows right here, guys. Now don't get me wrong. I was talking about the trade on BNB Ethereum. BNB Ethereum lost its triangles lows, but it looks to me like it got reaccumulated right here, and it is just currently hovering. Now guys, we can simply formulate something like this. If BTC goes extremely bullish against the market, we can do something like this. We can crap out, we can come to the 200 simple, and we can like get picked up somewhere here. So being patient again on the BNB BTC pair is going to be one interesting thing to be taken care of because the USD pair could be bullish as fuck. The USD pair could absolutely fucking moon to $400. But if you want to be taking those highly accelerated trades to the upside, guys, this is something which you got to be keeping a keen eye on. The BNB BTC pair, if this one trends as well, you're going to be looking at some moon boy price action on BNB yet again, guys. That I mean, that could certainly happen. You know how these crazy cryptocurrency markets they work, guys. Do we have some bullish divergence on 4-hour time frame? No, but this still got picked up, as this looks to me like a crazy trap to me, guys. Talk about traps on fucking RSI. This is a well, you are not getting any read from this one, and it was quite unpredictable, to be honest, guys. I think the major liquidity entering the BNB markets was from the USD pairs, USDT pairs, and all the stablecoin pairs, as this one was quite unpredictable move, guys. This is just, let's be honest, you cannot predict anything as a trader, and this one being one, I mean, they just simply got picked up from extremely unreasonable zones, to be honest with you. Breaking below this one, taking out all the stop losses from these levels, and just simply shooting to the upside, guys. This is a classic fucking bear trap in front of you right here. That is why the risk management for BNB and BNB against BTC is going to be this point right here, guys. As this one holds, it's going to be fine. BNB on BTC is going to be fine, and it is probably going to be trending to the upside in a very accelerated move if we are going to be closing all the candles above the 21 simple on 4-hour time frame henceforth. Now this candle is closing in 10, 9, 8, fuck that shit. 1-hour time frame, let's see the extreme small time frames. You are getting picked up. Now the slope of the 200 simple is wanted to curl back to the upside, signifying strength back into the market for BNB BTC pair right here. Let's check out the relative strength index as well, as we did have some bullish divergence on the hourly, guys. Yes, this is a bullish divergence right here between this point and this point. And are you making any hidden bearish divergence now or not? You are not yet. You could simply argue that you could certainly start making some hidden bearish divergence between this point and this point right here, as the RSI it keeps on trending to the upside, but the price never breaks this high right here. You could be bearishly diverging. That is why I do have this massive alert right here at the 54,000 Satoshi levels, guys. If we do break above the 54,000 Satoshi on any higher time frame closure, BNB against USD is also going to have a very accelerated up move, guys. Now don't get me wrong, you could snake around above the 60 on RSI like for a very very long time, and this could fucking trend to the upside like a fucking moonshot, guys. And watch for the 200 simple on hourly as well, to be precise and to be honest, guys, because this is certainly the trend bearer. You certainly want to be maintaining the trend like this if you are if you are looking for some moonboy price action on BNB BTC, guys. This 21 simple on hourly is also going to be one of the key indicators if this has to trend to the upside like this or not. Now watch this price action right here, how the price action was taking its ass towards the 21 simple quite precisely and flagging out again and again, breaking to the upside until it did the complete 100% move, 150% move to the upside, guys. Then it started reversing, then it started closing candles below the 21 simple on the hourly time frame, and that ever since that point, ever since this rejection right here, we have been going sideways. So the immediate trend guider is certainly going to be this one as well on the hourly time frame, guys. It's a simple interplay between two fucking moving averages, the 200 simple and the 21 simple. Just keep on watching these moving averages for the trend continuation to the upside. Now we did attempt to simply trend to the upside right here, but after we got rejected here below the 21 simple on the hourly time frame, you were simply formulating a falling wedge right here, guys. Now you can certainly change your gears right here, as this falling wedge has broken to the upside with volume. So a lot of things confirming this move right here. And if you constantly trend above this one, basically you start managing your risks above this point, below this point. I mean, the 48,000 Satoshi, not the 48, is it 400,000? Yeah, BNB is at a 400,000 Satoshi, guys. Times are changing. Altcoin markets are starting to really shift the gears, guys. Data Dash had a video on the super trends, the super altcoin market cycle, guys. Do check out that video. It's pretty helpful, pretty informative, as well as Nicholas. He is a very old player in the market. He knows everything about the cryptocurrency market inside and out. So go ahead, and I think you're going to be having some good time following his following whatever he is presenting in front of you, guys. So anyways, guys, I think the BNB BTC pair is going to be your main trend controller for the upside moves, and the BNB Ethereum. Now let's talk about where I failed as a trader, guys. Anyways, I did not get I stopped out an extreme amount of losses, but guys, I did get stopped out right here. I was thrown out of the market on BNB Ethereum right here, as we were starting to break this trend, and I was constantly updating the status of my trade. Not really the status of my trade, but I was certainly uploading a few screenshots of the charts which I was looking at on BNB against Ethereum, as this chart had to determine whether BNB is the real Ethereum or not. So guys, we did break below this point right here at 0.15 Ether per BNB. As soon as we broke below this point right here, the moving averages started bearishly crossing to the downside, and well, you just simply waterfall. Now guys, I do not have any risk tolerance which is going to be coming all the way down here. Basically a 25% risk tolerance, guys. Well, 16% to be honest. I don't have much risk tolerance if I am trading these highly volatile pairs. Now BNB Ethereum is certainly a highly volatile pair, guys, so I just simply got out of the market. I think you have to make trades that makes you comfortable, guys. Do not let the fucking market control you like a bitch, guys. This is not going to work out in the long run. So you do cut your losses right here. Constantly cut your losses. You should not hold your losses. You should not hold your losses for a long run, because it's certainly going to create a mental impact, and you will start getting into disbelief for most of the asset, guys. Now these things do happen to traders, especially in cryptocurrencies market, and as soon as you'll fucking sell your bags, that will start pumping to the upside. Now that also constantly happens again and again. And guys, it looks to me like it wants to reverse the trend right here, as we did not lose this area of liquidity entering the BNB markets from Ethereum. Right on around, let me just simply get around this triangle right here, right on around these price points right here. As let's jump on to the higher time frames and let's see if it has some relevance or not, guys. Certainly no fucking relevance on 3-day time frame about this price point right here. Let's jump on to the daily time frame and let's just see if there is something about it. Yeah, you do have the 21 simple moving average now, guys. 21 simple moving average combined with this candle, these two candles right here, you could certainly argue that this was a good support confluence right here, and this is why this got picked up. But guys, I don't think I'm interested in trading BNB Ethereum anymore, because it looks to me like it certainly wants to be a really choppy situation out there for BNB Ethereum markets, guys. Something like this could happen as well. Now don't get me wrong, we are certainly flirting with the all-time highs. You could simply argue that this was a good fucking retest of the breakout of the previous all-time highs, but guys, on a daily schedule we did lose the level right here. That's why this one is going to be certainly choppy. So there is not much competition remaining in the market for BNB Ethereum. If somebody had to put a gun on my head and somebody asked me what to choose in the short term, it's going to be BNB or Ethereum, guys. It's going to be Ethereum. I think the fundamentals are still bearish, but you have some good looking bullish developments on Ethereum. The EIP 1559 and 3 other layers coming into Ethereum, making it deflationary. I mean, guys, this is some key events taking place on Ethereum, guys, for the long run, as Ethereum's supply is going to be reduced with this patch on the blockchain. Now, if you start creating supply shocks in any blockchain, in any crypto asset, now that creates a humongous amount of demand. This is what the players have started looking at in the market. And guys, I think what we saw yesterday was simple panic buying on Ethereum as it just went up 20% to the upside, tested the $1,850 levels as expected, guys, heading towards 1900 pretty soon as well. We could chop around on Ethereum for a long time, but this video is not for Ethereum, so let's just conclude about some BNB price action right here in front of you guys. Now this one is looking certainly way better than Ethereum pair, than BTC pair right here. So our focus as a trader could be these guys. Now you want to really simplify your trading. Talking about Ethereum pair and BTC pair, not talking about simplifying your trading, guys. This is the most simplest looking chart of all, and I think this is getting picked up from the 21 simple right here. If you do take out the 280 levels, if you have missed out on the train right here, guys, no fucking need to panic, no fucking need to the FOMO. Just reduce your position size, guys. Don't go all in. Reduce your position size. You can take positions on BNB. You can simply start long in BNB as it trends above the 21 simple. And guys, let me be honest with you, trend is just 20% above. It could certainly be 100% above. Then you'll be talking about the fact that I did not fucking pinpoint the most easiest fucking trade of all time. Getting picked up from the 21 simple is certainly a good looking price action, good looking piece of price action right here. You do take this one out on daily schedule, you will come here, you'll just simply float to the upside like that, guys. You can certainly argue that this is also one point of interest, but there's not going to be much stopping. Let's see if we do have any Fibonacci areas of interest as well right here. We're just simply trying to gather evidence, and we're just trying to find the confluences. Now, right between this point and this point right here, we have the 618 retest at the 286. Guys, watch out for 280 to 286 being taken out for the further up move of the retest of the prior all-time high closures, which is going to be deep retrace at 086. Now, this is Fibonacci trades right here. Fibonacci magical numbers are certainly going to be aligning up with a lot of support resistance, all falling naturally, guys. This is how it works. Fibonacci, magical fucking magic. Anyways, I think that's been enough of rambling on BNB BTC. Do take care about the fact that the 21 simple moving average on daily time frame is being held up on BNB. Now that is a macro trend directional bias decider. Now, what a long legged. What did I just fucking say? I can't even comprehend. But yeah, this one is being picked up from 21 simple. Certainly looking nice for the retest of prior hard time highs, and certainly all the way towards 400, guys. There's not much stopping for 2.618 at $610 as well. The ultimate target being the moonboy target of $2,000 BNB to the fucking. This is what moon looks like for BNB at the 10.764 Fibonacci key level of interest at 1922. Now guys, this is a pretty vague form of Fibonacci analysis, as we just took the simple consolidation phase over the all-time highs right here. If you simply delete everything out right here, if I try to make this one as the capitulation lows coming from the all-time highs, which was set at the $40 ranges back in the days, guys, back in the good damn days when crypto market was simply getting accumulated as most of the dumps were happening, guys. The 10.764 is tested, right? This entire trend is tested. Now guys, this is why this level will be extremely fucking damn significant. If you do take this one out on daily schedule basis, you will be headed towards 2.618 and your ultimate target being 40.618. Guys, this is something which BNB will replicate right from the Bitcoin price action as well. Now guys, I will get into that analysis. I think I'll take another comprehensive outlook on BNB pretty soon, guys, as we do formulate some price action to the upside or the downside, as I will be having some certain more new things to talk about BNB. Guys, I think I've covered most part of the BNB price action right here. In the longer run, remember, if you do take down 350, there is not much stopping from $665, $600 levels basically, right? That's another thesis. That's a complete different thesis that could be completely irrelevant. That's why, guys, you just simply move on with time. You flow like water, and then you go about the most recent consolidation, and this is where you derive your immediate target, guys. Immediate target, if you break above this point, this one, guys. All right, I think that's been it. This has been a long form of comprehensive analysis on BNB. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it. Let me know if you're long or short BNB. Let me know if you use the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain, for all the liquidity mining and swapping and all the crap like that. Let me know if you're earning some passive passive revenue on BSC as well, guys. All right, I think I'll simply take off. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one pretty soon. Bye for now.